Previously on Sailing Aquarius.
And we are off. Our journey to Spain. What do you think, babe?
We are a couple months away to finish circumnavigation. Fingers crossed.
It's so big. I'm in the wrong country.
After crossing from France to Spain and very enjoyable sail along Spain's coast towards Barcelona, we are tucked in the marina and ready for our guests. We have guests. We have my little sister Nastya.
Hello. Oh, little sister, cute.
Yeah, we have her boyfriend Thomas.
Hello.
And me. They are here only for a short time, so we don't waste the time, hop on a metro and go to explore the city.
We made it. Is that Gotti or what?
Sagrada Familia is the largest unfinished Catholic church in the world and probably the most iconic and best-known building in Barcelona. Construction of the Sagrada Família began in 1882. It was designed by architect Antoni Gaudí, and he is buried in the church's crypt. In 2010, 120 years later, construction passed the midpoint. It is anticipated that the building would be completed by 2026. We had such a good time in this beautiful city, and the weather was just right. And tomorrow we're gonna take a quick sail. The winds will be very light, but hopefully it's just gonna be enough for us to get around. Coming at the back. I want the camera, I want to show our guests. Hello there.
Hello.
So how are you?
Good.
Great. Amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
It was just enough wind to sail at about 3 knot speed. Nevertheless, we had good time. How was the water?
It's actually pretty warm, actually.
That's very professional.
How's the water?
Nice.
And a couple boats.
Don't make this on the video.
You are on the video. Was it fun, Captain?
Oh yeah.
It was a nice stop. Beautiful beach day. We also stopped in a nearby marina for a gas.
You're staying here.
No.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Can you throw him the front line? Oh, okay, no problem.
Great.
It's very interesting, yeah.
We went swimming. That was amazing. I was very surprised and amazed how you guys like work as one team all the time. That looks so professional.
Yeah, it's true.
That was crazy just to watch it. It was really interesting.
We paid her.
Now sushi, all you can eat, finally. The main thing of
Highlight
the
of
trip.
the day.
The highlight of the
Basically,
day, yeah.
yes.
A second highlight.
Second time.
Very serious business on Aquarius. Very serious. Captain Cam, what do you have to say?
Say I'm winning.
Not yet.
Not. What did you say?
Not yet.
Not yet, no. Not at all.
Not at all.
I got 2 more minutes.
We'll find out.
So, y'all know, we went to the Cannes Yachting Festival. And we had a great time.
Woohoo!
So after we crossed the Gulf of Lyon and put Aquarius in Premia del Mar Marina, I got a message from a friend. Hey Ken, you might be interested in the Barcelona Boat Show. So I looked it up. Got my pass, caught a 40-minute train to Barcelona, and showed up for the show.
Well, we made it, and we're heading in to the Barcelona Boat Show. Oh, here we are. Let's go see what there is to see. That's what I want in a dinghy. 15 meters. This is the second time I had to enter because the other side just had the dinghies and fishing boats. These guys are really good. I saw a couple of these at the Cannes Boat Show and it looks pretty cool. If you got a lot of room to store shit, this would be the thing. More motorboats, and they do have a few sailboats. Oh, Beneto's here. Jeannot is here. Before X Yachts. Northman. Elan. Leopard. And Bali. Who is this guy right here? I'm not sure what that one is. Adventure 50. Now that, my friend, is a big ass boat. Ocean 1, 5.4. Fountain Peugeot.
The Barcelona Boat Show was only about 1/10 or less the size of the Cannes Yachting Festival, and I only spent one morning at the show. That was plenty for me. After visiting the Cannes Yachting Festival, the Barcelona show was a bit of a letdown. The most interesting thing that I saw at the show was how the bridge works at the entrance to the marina. Now that's cool.
Next on Sailing Aquarius. I am not impressed. Tell me something more, Captain Ken.
What do you want to know about?
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.